you know the Quran, the first words of the Quran, the very first, I believe, are something like, in the name of God, the gracious and the merciful. Praise be to God, Lord of the worlds, the most gracious, the most merciful, master of the book of judgment. They're saying graciousness and mercy is what's at the... They repeated it twice in the first page. It's you we worship, and you we ask, lead us to the straight path, the path of those you have blessed, not those against whom there is anger or are misguided. So anyone who knows this beautiful religion, this beautiful, that was the height of civilization in the 13th century, the Arab civilization that we had that gave us mathematics and science, everyone knows that at the root of that religion, the two most important words are that God is gracious and God is merciful, and we trust to that God to deliver us from this misunderstanding that is doing these terrible things that are hurting people. God does not want people to be hurt. God is gracious, God is merciful. And
non-Muslim, a Christian, a Jew or a Hindu accept the books which he practiced, that is the Vedas, Gita, Bible or Zend-Avesta, and come to the common terms that our Creator God, Ishwar Allah is one. That's what the religious books of Hinduism says, or Bible says, or the Talmud of the Judaism says. I am saying that read the religious scriptures of all religions, Veda, Gita, Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, as well as Quran, Hadith, Bible, Guru Granth. Take out the similarity of all the books and just implement that. That is uniform civil code for the 125 crore Indians. Okay. And every Indian will agree to it. Even Hindus will have laws from Vedas, Gita, Sikhs will have from Guru Granth, Christian will have from Bible, Muslims will have from Quran Hadith. The similarities of all these religions, take out and just implement it as a code of law which will be beneficial for all up to the mark level, I can say.